I think if you want to be seen on the local business circuit, if you want to meet business people, if you want to network, if you want to get your name and your brand out there, I think this is a great place to start. I think it's good value, you'll get a lot of help and encouragement from the Chamber, and it's a bit of a no-brainer really.
Beautiful layout, beautiful design, staff have been fantastic, very accommodating, and the guys who've actually run the event here, so Helen and their team, have been absolutely fantastic. Without them it wouldn't have been anywhere near as good as it has been.
We've been exhibiting at this event, both the March and the September one, for about 3 years. For us, we get to meet local businesses. We've found a number of suppliers through the event as well, and obviously customers as well, which is probably the most important.
I would say to anyone who is involved in any sort of business within Worcestershire and Herefordshire to come along.
There's nowhere else we can go where you can get one exhibition with 800 people in Worcestershire and Herefordshire, so for us this is quite unique, and in fact I know it's going to happen twice a year, so we'll be doing this every time because the results have been really, really positive.